स्टेट्स ऑफ अमेरिका ना। तो रूल होता है कि जब यूनाइटेड, यूनियन, यूनिटी जैसे शब्द लग जाए किसी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के पहले, तो उसके पहले द लगता है, द आर्टिकल का रूल है ना। तो इंडिया इज ओनली अ सिंगल वर्ड and that's why it doesn't take the with it. It's a proper noun na? है ना? The United Kingdom, the word united is there, correct? Then we have the union territory, the union territories. Then we have Soviet Union, the Soviet Union, the word union presents there. One more is there, what we call it, UAE, United Arab Emirates. So here we have now Emirates. So here we have United, U is there, United is there. So वो उस वक्त नहीं बोला था because that was an emotional touch in the movie. But the India, the America नहीं होता है, the United States of America हो सकता है because of that United word, है ना? The rule is like that. Okay, so these are the rules, these are the corrections which Ravi should mind once. एक और जगह है, एक कौन सा सेंटेंस था रवि, कैन यू रीड इट अगेन? स्टूडेंट would be take, नहीं लिखा है आपने, would be take education, वो जो आप बोल रहे थे ना रूल्स प्रैक्टिसेस, उसी के आसपास कहीं लिखा हुआ है. would be take कहीं लिखा हुआ है, can you read?
स्टेट में ये लिखा था सम फीस स्ट्रक्चर स्टडी पैटर्न वुड बी सेम अक्रॉस इंडिया.
ठीक है,
अच्छा ये सॉरी
इट वुड बी सेम, कहीं पर टेक नहीं लिखा है ना, कहीं पर भी
नहीं टेक नहीं लिखा.
ठीक है, ठीक, ओके देन इट इज ओके. I got little bit you know I misheard it actually, but it's okay. So these are the corrections from the topic education should be free. Okay, nice. So you should be clapping for Ravi for his wonderful write-up, and because of him we got such corrections. Okay, now we have the next performer or next reader. Who would be the next reader here? Okay, Poonam is there. So chaliye, let's listen to Poonam.
Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, everyone. Before I begin, I would like to pay my sincere thanks to Khushbu ma'am for providing me this opportunity to speak here. And I would like to speak on topic education should be free. Education is a effective weapon to survive, but now these days it is mostly expensive. To improve the development of the country, every citizens should be educated. There are many people in our country who are not able to achieve education due to financially differences. Every developed country provides free primary and secondary education. And we find in our surrounding that some parents do not provide higher education to girls due to high fee. If it is made free, then we can achieve gender equality and girls would be availing the benefits of free education. Free education motivates students to do better when they can't afford. Students are not only ones who only develop a country, even society also develop. It is a shining example of lack of finance. Most students do part-time job along with their study for the fee. Now, I would like to conclude that education should stay equally available to everyone, and everyone can increase chances of getting employment. Thank you, ma'am.
Wow. Very wonderful. So you have written it yourself?
Yes, ma'am. And I read some idea also, ma'am.
Okay, that means you read and then you wrote it, but you wrote yourself, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine, fine. Very good. Puna,
Thank
I
you.
could get only one mistake, that is an effective, that first line.
Yes, ma'am.
Other things were so nice. And as I was talking about the third point, the decoration, so you used some quotations. We call them now some lines, some sayings. So yeah, we just I heard, and it is really wonderful when you are beautifying the stuff. So wonderful. Come on, give her big hands. Very good.
Thank you,
Maybe
ma'am.
that she keeps writing. Maybe she reads and then she read and then she wrote. Maybe there may be many reasons to be so perfect, but very good. It shows that you can write well.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Now we have the next performer. I think Anmol is also ready. So let's listen to Anmol's write up here.
Ma'am,
Yeah, Poonam.
ma'am, please could you repeat my mistake again?
That an effective. You said na education is an effective. There is first line.
Yes,
You
ma'am.
read. You read that first line.
Education is an effective weapon to survive.
Is an effective.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Chale, let's listen to Anmol here. Yeah, Anmol.
Yes, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am, and good evening to all. Today, my topic is should plastic be banned? 1 second, ma'am. Uh, People are more aware of the fact that plastic is harmful to the environment. If we keep increased use of plastic, it's possible that we are creating more harmful environment sooner than later. It's important to understand that plastic in itself is not harmful when used or recycled and reused. It's rather the littering of plastic on the street, on land, and water bodies, use of plastic bags, which are disposed in the same manner, can't be recycled. So it's only natural that when such matter is only increasing, then the threat to nature also rises. Many countries like Italy, Bangladesh, China, and Kenya have taken the initiative to ban the use of plastic uh, the use of plastic and are not given any to the public at any checkout counter. However, there are many countries that have not adopted this, as it is also difficult to find an alternative to plastic that is easily decomposable and safer for the environment. So rather than completely banning the use of plastic, we must find ways of recycling and reusing the plastic reusing the plastic so that the dumping of plastic does not deteriorate the natural environment. That's all, ma'am.
Okay. So you read so fast now. I could not get so many things. So you have to read again. And this time you will read slowly.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, ma'am.
Read,
Okay.
read that. ठीक है, I can correct, but I cannot
People-
correct in this way ना. इतना fast तो मतलब इतनी अच्छी English कभी भी नहीं है हमारी.
Yes, ma'am. पढ़ रही थी so.
Go slow.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
I read again. Okay, ma'am. Okay. people are more aware of the fact that plastic is harmful to the environment. If we keep increased use of plastic, it's possible that we are creating more harmful environment sooner than later. It's important to understand that plastic in itself is not harmful when used or recycled and reused. It's rather the littering of plastic on the street, on land and water bodies, and single-use plastic bags which are disposed in the same manner can't be recycled. So it's only natural that when such matter is only increasing, then the threat also rises. Many countries like Italy, Bangladesh, China, and Kenya have taken the initiative to ban the use of plastic and are not given any to the public at any checkout counter. However, there are many countries that have not adopted this, as it is also difficult to find an alternative to plastic that is easily decomposable and safer for the environment. So rather than completely banning the use of plastic, we must find ways of recycling and reusing the plastic, so that the dumping of plastic doesn't deteriorate the natural environment. That's all.
Nice. Good one. Got it. Chaliye. So here we have the first correction, though your write-up is good. So you have written yourself or you read first and then wrote?
I have no vocabulary, and so I check from Google.
No problem. Reading is not bad, but you have written yourself, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
चलो, सबसे पहले तो the plastic is harmful for the environment.
Yes, ma'am.
So remove two, you should put for. Then you said that we don't know that if we are using more plastic, we are getting more harmful for the environment. You have said that, है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Second, third line. We are getting more harmful for the environment. है ना? वहाँ हो जाएगा. We are getting more harms. HARMS. We are getting more harms.
Creating.
Huh?
We are creating more. We are creating more harmful environment, no, ma'am.
No, we are getting more harms for the. We are getting more harmful environment. You are saying this?
Creating more harmful.
We are creating.
Yes, ma'am.
We are creating more harms for the environment.
Okay, ma'am.
ठीक है?
Okay, ma'am.
And you said sooner or later. Did you say sooner? नहीं, then नहीं होगा. Sooner or later. कभी भी होगा,
Okay.
है ना? लेकिन होगा. Sooner or
Okay.
later. Good. You have used this phrase also. इसको बोला जाता है कभी ना कभी, है ना? This is called sooner or later. This is one of the good phrases. And some other good words are also there. And topic is good because generally people think that yeah, plastic should be banned, and they give a lot of opinions about it. But you have come up with really something updated, because now we have degradable plastics material, and which can be degraded, and then we can recycle it and reuse it. Correct or not? Nowadays, bottles, these all water bottles, especially these Bisleri, and then they are the degradable material. They can be disposed and recycled again. So this is the latest version of plastic usage. Now we have poly bags and polythenes. They are also the same, I think. Correct or not? So yeah, this is something latest version of plastic can be used, but in different ways. So very good, Anmol. I liked your perception, the way of seeing the problem. Very good. And I hope you believe in this. Okay. Now we have, who will be the next reader? Sarika ma'am, ready?
Yes, ma'am.
I could see you
Hello,
were
everyone.
preparing something.
Yeah, I prepared because it credits goes to Anmol, who informed me the topics when I asked her, did you get some assignments or topics? So she informed me. So I would like to thanks to her, especially thanks to Anmol.
And
Thank you
I
so
would
much,
like
Anmol.
to appreciate you that you missed
what
the
a
class,
coincidence.
but still you
Yeah, and
asked her. I would like to appreciate it.
yeah, thank you. And what a coincidence, ma'am. The same topic I have chosen by me also. The that should plastic be banned.
Okay, no problem.
But I didn't ask that you are choosing the same. But this is a coincidence that we have chosen the same topic.
No issues.
The incident. Okay.
You can
So I'll
continue.
go with it. Hello, everyone. Yeah, ma'am. Ma'am, am I audible? Today I have applied
audible.
that earphones. That's right. So hello, everyone. A very good evening to all of you. So today I am just going to a point that should plastic be banned? So I'm favor of it. Totally, I'm favor on this topic that it should be banned. So because today when we go to shopping, we see a lot of people carrying their shopping bags made of plastic. Plastic bags are really convenient for all of us to carry this. We have what? In contrast, there are many disadvantage of using plastic bags. If you know, the plastic bags have negative impact for our environment. I'm sure that reducing the use of plastic bags will be happen soon. They are really convenient for all of us to carrying the things. Plastic bag is a huge cause of the global warming that we are confronting at the moment. We can use and hold plastic bags everywhere. Everybody knows that plastic is a biodegradable material. As we know everything, as we know that it is non-biodegradable material. It breaks into many pieces and gets spoiled, but it is not mixed with the soil, due to which it removes in the environment for hundred of years and spreads pollution. If it is buried in the land, Phyllis, then there is a possibility of it leaking pollutions of the land and water. Plastic cannot be destroyed by burning because its combustions produces many toxic gases which can cause many serious diseases. Another issue occurs when the plastic bags interact with the soil and diminish the fertility. It has a significant impact on the agricultural produce and yielding. During rains, these flow into water bodies, causing water pollution. In spite of this, it wreaks havoc to aquatic species have found consuming plastic bodies by mistake as natural food and finally succumb to death. Plastic bags littered carelessly and fed upon by dogs, cats, monkeys, cows, etc. This in turn can block their digestive system and render render them a slow death. So the use of plastic bags is quite dangerous to animals, and a human as well. This is the time we need to understand the seriousness of the problem, how plastic is ultimately damaging our environment, which has uh, adverse effects on the environment as well as the trees, animals, and sea water and mankind. To ensure the protection of the environment, we should reduce the use of plastic